and challenges means opportunities also. So hence, when I say challenges, we hope that we'll be able to convert those challenges into opportunities and grow as a party. Manipur state is going through difficult and challenging times. And because of the local situation and the situation, especially in the last 2.5 years, and the overall law and order situation, there's been a lot of political instability and political turmoil also. And hence we feel that under these challenging circumstances, the party under the leadership of Dr. Loro will be organized to take on those challenges and more importantly convert them, as I said, into opportunities for the party as a whole. Regarding the statements that have been made by our senior leaders, we respect all the comments by all our senior leaders. Our party is a democratic party. We believe in voice being given out or views being expressed as a positive thing. But at the end of the day, we all work together and come to the consensus and move forward with whatever decision ultimately that the party takes. And as I said, while the comments and that have been made by senior party leaders, we have no comments on that. We respect every single party leader who is with us, and I'm sure that whoever has any kind of concerns will be committed towards seeing the party grow at the overall larger extent, and will work with the party together. At the same time, regarding different issues about the territorial aspect and other issues, I think the party has been very clear. We are a party that is a very secular party. We believe in working for all the communities in the state as well as in the region. And we have always believed in that principle while we even organize and form the party. So therefore, there's no question of looking at it in any communal line or any way in which we are trying to leave out any particular community as such. So therefore, let me assure the people, in this, especially in the state of Manipur, that we are here to work for the people of Manipur state and different communities that are there. We will engage with everybody and we will look at the larger interest of the state of Manipur and of course the larger interest of the Northeast region as a whole as we build up the party, not just in Manipur but in the entire Northeast region.